Good morning, class. In our last class, we have seen the study of compounds, that is hydrogen chloride. Now today you are going to see about ammonia, study of compounds, that is ammonia. In this we'll discuss about preparation of ammonia, lab preparation, manufacture, chemical reactions of ammonia. Now let us begin with the structure. Ammonia. The molecular formula is NH3 and the molecular mass, if you calculate by using the atomic mass, it will come as 17. Now in case of ammonia, when you write down the Lewis dot structure, you'll find that 2 electrons does not form a bond, so that will be called as lone pair, whereas 3 electrons will form bonds with the hydrogen. Okay, so this is how, and it is a example of covalent compounds, we can say. Now general methods of preparation, how we can prepare ammonia. So the general method is, when ammonium salt is treated with alkali, that is a base which is soluble in water, it is going to form salt, water and ammonia. Say for example, ammonium salt, ammonium chloride, let us take, and say for example alkali, we are taking calcium hydroxide, so it is going to form a salt of that is calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Similarly, you can understand with the other ammonium salts. Next, lab preparation of ammonia. Okay, in lab we can prepare ammonia gas by the use of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. Okay, so these are the reagent, or we can say the reactants, that are used in lab preparation of ammonia. The chemical reaction that takes place is ammonium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide to give you calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Now let us see the preparation about it. So this is an arrangement that is required for the lab preparation of ammonia gas. In this we have got a round bottle flask which is fitted with the help of a cork, and this is the delivery tube which is connected with the, you can see this is the dryer where the ammonia that is produced is dried by quicklime, and after that drying it is passed in this gas jar. Now what will happen, what you need to do is, in the round bottom flask you will take a mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide, the substance from where we can prepare ammonia, and we'll heat it. As the reaction takes place, we know that there is a production of ammonia gas, so that will pass through it and it will be dried by this quicklime. Okay, quicklime, and when it passes through it, it will be connected over here. Now in this laboratory preparation of ammonia, ammonia gas is dried by quicklime, as we came to know. Now how the gas is collected? Ammonia gas is collected by the downward displacement of air, because it is lighter than air and it is highly soluble in water, and therefore it cannot be collected over water. Okay, so ammonia gas is collected by the downward displacement of air. The precautions that you need to take: the flask is tilted in such a way that the water formed in the reaction does not trickle back into the heated flask and thus break it. So you need to be careful that the flask that you have kept is kept in such a way that the water formed does not come back, because if it comes back, then there's a chance of breaking the flask. Manufacture of ammonia. Now we'll see the manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process. Now in a Haber's process, ammonia is manufactured by the use of nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio of 1:3. Okay, in the ratio of, and over here the catalyst that is used is molybdenum, and we use the catalyst iron, finely divided iron, and molybdenum as promoter, and we maintain the temperature of 450 to 500 degrees Celsius and above 200 atmosphere to form ammonia gas and heat. So this is the flow chart which will show you how ammonia is manufactured in the industries. Okay, so but this is the very important chemical reactions that tells us about the manufacture of ammonia, which is known as Haber's process. Next, chemical reactions of ammonia. Reaction with oxygen. So when ammonia reacts with oxygen, it is going to form nitrogen and water. Catalytic oxidation of ammonia. So when ammonia gas is carried out the oxidation process in presence of a catalyst at around 800 degrees Celsius, it is going to form water, nitric oxide and heat. Okay. Similarly, ammonia can act as a reducing agent. So when ammonia reacts with copper oxide, which is black solid, it forms a reddish brown solid of copper, water and nitrogen. Reaction with acids. So ammonia gas can react with the acids to form ammonium salt. We can say that is, ammonia gas reacts with HCl to form ammonium chloride. Ammonia gas reacts with nitric acid to give you ammonium nitrate, and ammonium gas reacts with sulfuric acid to give ammonium sulfate. Chemical reactions of ammonia. Fifth reaction, reaction of aqueous solution of ammonia with soluble metal salt. So when you take a metallic salt solutions and react with ammonium hydroxide, it is going to form ammonium salt, metallic hydroxide, and the color of that, okay, what will be the color of that? Say for example, ferrous sulfate reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form ammonium sulfate, and metallic hydroxide that is formed will be ferrous hydroxide, which is dirty green in color. Okay, like that you can study about the other metallic salt solution as well, and you can see the what will be the color of the respective precipitates formed. How we can identify now ammonia gas and ammonium ion? It gives a dense white fumes with concentrated hydrochloric acid. So when ammonia comes in contact with HCl, it forms a ammonium chloride that will come as a dense white fumes. When ammonia gas is passed through copper sulfate solution, blue precipitate is formed, which changes to deep blue solution on passing the gas in excess. So what will happen when ammonia gas is passed through a copper sulfate solution? A blue precipitate is formed, and that changes to deep blue solutions. Ammonium salt gives a brown color or precipitate with Nessler reagent or solutions, that is a slightly alkaline solution of potassium mercuric iodide made by adding KOH. So what will happen when you treat ammonium salt with Nessler reagent? It gives you a brown color of precipitate. Uses of ammonia. Where you will find the uses of ammonia? Liquid ammonia is used as a refrigerant in ice plants. Ammonia solution is used as an important lab reagent in qualitative analysis. Sorry. Aqueous ammonia is used for cleaning tiles, windows, etc. Ammonia is used in the manufacture of nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, diammonium hydrogen phosphate and urea, and it also used in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate. Now today's assignment, question number 1. So the diagram below shows the setup for the laboratory preparation of pungent alkaline gas, that is ammonia. Now your question is from this: name the gas collected in the jar, give a balance equation for the above preparation, state how the above gas is collected, name the drying agent used, state how you will find out that the jar is full of pungent gas. So this will be a question number 1. Question number 2 will be: in the manufacture of ammonia, number 1, name the process. Question number 2, state the ratio of the reactant taken. Question number 3, state the catalyst used. Question number 4, give the equation for the manufacture of the gas, that is ammonia. And question number 3 is: write the balanced chemical equations. Number 1, ammonia and oxygen in the presence of a catalyst. Chlorine reacts with excess of ammonia, and reaction of ammonia with sulfuric acid. You need to write down the balance equation for this 3 statement. And question number 4 is name 2 gases which can be used to study the fountain experiment. State the common property demonstrated by the fountain experiment. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.